Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be showing you how to flush out the AC drain. But before you get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, right now we are looking at the drain on the inside. This is the AC unit on the inside of the house, and you can go ahead and pull this cover off of it before we go outside to use a little wet dry vac to pull the water out of it. All right, and we're heading outside right now. Okay, right now we are looking at the external portion of the AC drain, and we have a little wet dry vac here that we're going to hook up to it, and we're going to pull the wastewater out of it, see what else we can get out of there. You want to do this once a month to prevent backflow into the house and prevent the AC from cutting off on you. All right, let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay, so we had it running for a little bit before we ran the video. Right now we're going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at what the water looks like, and it actually looks pretty decent. Didn't have a whole lot of sludge or slime in there because we had some bleach in the water with the pipes. All right, we're going to go back inside, take a look at what we can do here. Okay, right now we're going to prepare a little mixture for the pipes, and we're looking at trying to get 8 ounces of bleach and 40 ounces of water as a mixture. And then we're going to go ahead and pour it into the inside drain that we looked at the beginning. There you go. Okay, as you can see here, we've set up a little funnel on the interior drain, and we're going to go ahead and pour the mixture in there. And if I didn't mention this before, you want to make sure you do this like once a month during the summer months or something, just to prevent sludge from developing inside these drains. Gonna cap it back up. And that's pretty much it for how to flush an AC drain. Right now I'm back on the outside, and I'm gonna pull everything else back together. Put away the little wet dry vac, and that's pretty much it. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below. Otherwise, y'all have a great day.